Alright, so we're back. This is Green Hill. We got all these bags of topsoil. Lots of bags of topsoil. Basically, we're going to take all these bags, throw them into the garden now, and we'll finalize and finish up the garden with all the topsoil. Alright, so we're almost finished here with the main garden. Just put all the topsoil on. She's looking really good now, from start to finish. Alright, this is Green Hill Gardens, where we just turned some dreams into reality. So you can see the nice finish job we did to this garden. Topped it off with some topsoil. Now this garden is ready to be planted and ready to grow this whole summer.